How to change your age on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's get started. If you enter the wrong birthday, some features on your account may be limited, and there is only one way to fix it. Important note, you need to note that logging out and trying to log back in won't work. So what you need to do is simply you need to head to the TikTok app. Make sure that you log into your account. Proceed by tapping TikTok profile at bottom right corner. Then tap on three-line menu icon at top right and choose Setting and Privacy option. So scroll down to the bottom of your screen and choose Report a Problem. Then choose Account and Profile option. And here you need to tap on Editing your profile. Now select Other option. Then select No option. Tap on Need More Help. And tap on Send a Message option at bottom of your screen. And you need to type in that you entered the wrong birthday, and if needed you can provide proof of the correct date. Then you have to submit the report, and if TikTok doesn't help you may need to create a new account. Remember, you can have multiple TikTok accounts, and that's how you can easily change your age on TikTok. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.